Hello everyone, this is round 7 of Poinsettia and Berries motif. So to begin round 7, we slip stitch on the next triple crochet, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochet on the next chain 3 space next to the 3 group of triple crochets. Then double crochet on each of next 2 triple crochets, this and this. So that's 1, 2. Then chain 1 and double crochet on the same triple crochet stitch, then double crochet on the next triple crochet, then 2 double crochet on the next chain 3 space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip 1 triple crochet and single crochet on the next triple crochet, and the single crochet is the ending of the repeating stitches. So we begin the repeating stitch on chain 5. So repeat from chain 5 to the single crochet on top of the petal, and repeat this set of stitches all around. So after the last chain 5 of the round, then slip stitch on top of the slip stitch that we made at the beginning of the round. So that is the end of round 7. Hello friends, this is round 8 of Poinsettia and Berries. So to begin the round, we slip stitch on the next chain, twice, so on the next 2 chains, 1 on each of next 2 chains, then single crochet into the space, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this chain 5 is the beginning of the repeating stitches. So let's go ahead and mark this. Then double crochet on the chain 3 space, next to the group of double crochets. So that's 1, 2. Then double crochet on each of next 4 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet into the chain 1 space, then chain 1 and double crochet into the same chain 1 space, then double crochet on each of next 4 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 double crochet on the next chain 3 space, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next chain 5 space, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 double crochet on the next chain 3 space. So we will repeat from the chain 5 after the single crochet. So repeat from here, this marker to this marker, all around. After the last chain 5 of this round, then slip stitch on the single crochet, the beginning single crochet, and this is the end of the round.